We out here in the dark. Black what?
Alright,
What?
catch up, you know. Me say a saint, me come from a Santa of my place. Me
Yo, gringo! Yo, man, sanitizer them. Yo, gringo! Gringo! Yes, boss! Yo, brother! What? Yo, come on, brother. Come on. Yo. Yes, boss! Hand sanitizer time. Wait there, man. Wait there, gringo. Come on, gringo, man. Come on, man. No play time now, gringo. Play time. See? Go for it. Alright. See?
Black and put in the beauty.
Yo, hold on, man. A long time you should have there still, you know. Yo, gringo. Deal with that.
You come too close, you know. Jesus Christ, are you again? Jesus Christ.
Yo, boss, them boy have me a place.
Jesus
How can I think this go?
No.
Boss, you want a jargon for me? A black one, this in the boss.
Time will tell you. Time will tell you.
Hey, now, sanitize, man.
Yo, come spit back on the bottom. Yo, go on this.
How you up there?
I'm going to like clear you.
Gringo, enough. Gringo!
What yourself? That's our boss. What is it?
Yo, boss, you look like the boy from that place, you know. Yo, easy, sir. You chose him for this. You know what this tool you going out? Now, we're going to go, see? You know, hear me, I said, man, show you the this, this. First, we tell you the mission. Oh, yes, the mass John get robbed now. John Brown, brother. Oh, you manage old man file this. Matter of fact, we just come back in this. We don't want you to know your money problem. See? You may say, no, show you the essentials. Phone. Call it two again. I'm going to go back to the mosque and get one. Don't play with me. See? WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, no Twitter, no Snapchat. Easy yourself, brother. Don't give no one back talking. See? Yo, brother, don't lift up script. Don't do this. They're wrong. Corner blocks. Easy yourself. See? Don't smoke road. The Bob Marley. Camera the funny. Just in case we see a cartoon girl jazz and go, we must not do focus on the mission. Snapper. Just in case you have a fight. You know you would work out this still, but only. Lotto book. When I pass the lotto shop, you buy me 2 number. Big 4. Lotto number 35. Don't play with me. Yeah. Alright, 33 then. Make sure say you don't have 2 in it. The typer. Just in case your phone battery they just type up so we just keep in touch. See? Yeah, put in your pocket. Talking long man. Nail clip. See a Tony them kind of black. What the blacks easy yourself. The phone you have. Security boy. Gringo. Yo, easy yourself. Gringo. Before Gringo reach what on. You go on here. Feel yourself. Don't play with it. Gringo. Follow man. Yo, hold on. I don't want an argument. But that's why Gringo. Gringo, put on that. Gringo, Mr. Put on that, Gringo. Yo, hear me I say, so like I want to call argument, brother. Yo, easy yourself. Yo, Gringo, hold the phone here. The most can call it your number. But tell her you go up on the fields and catch 2 girl. Hear me I say, no, 2 and a half together, see? Ease out, man. Listen me now. Let me talk. Please, let me talk. Hear what me I say. Brother, leave us the law. Brother, ease out, man. Yo. John, bro, listen to me. John, bro. Yo, here's a John Broad also. John Broad, Coco, 1 stick of yam, 2 banana finger, money, 200 for work on that. Corona Broad, you take to the cell, washing your hand. Don't play with my food, see? So if you have a problem with the target over here, yo. Listen to me, we don't even know wash puppy, you know, we don't even know wash puppy. Yo, take one step, come on, take one step. We're not till 1200 hours left from here, so. Gringo, walk up now, Gringo. Yeah, sir, come here, Gringo.
A few moments later. A few inches later.
Ooh, it's a black rain fall at the place. Fuck up them bass. You know what thing going on, you know a Legion I represent, you know. I mean I say Nick Marcus. You know when I play with people, you know. You know what thing going. You see? Yeah. Gun rise. Let me tell you about gun rise. I know nothing nice. Early sunrise.